The toy pack!
Hi, welcome to the toy part. Today we'll be opening this bag. Okay, it's another surprise egg bag. So it's the Hello Kitty egg hunt. And we have 22 eggs with candy characters. Okay, these are the Hello Kitty characters. So let's open them. See what we can find in different characters, different eggs. There we go. We have taken out all the eggs. First, we're going to put them separately according to the color of their egg. Can you tell me what color this is? Green. Very good. Okay, so we're going to put all the greens one side here. And what about this one? Pink. Good. So we're going to take all the pinks to one side so that we don't mix them. What about this one? Purple. Very good. Okay, so we take the purple and put them aside. There we go. What about this one? It's light pink. Good. Okay, so let's put them together as well. So let's count how many we have for each color. For the green ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 green surprise eggs. And let's see the purple ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. Okay, so we have 5 purples. What about the pink? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 of them. And lastly, we have light pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 of them. So we're going to open one of each, maybe 2, to see what we get. Okay, let's start with the green one. Okay, here we go. We open this. Let's see what's inside. These are the Hello Kitty shaped candies. We have purple and pink. Okay, let's see what's in our second purple egg. Okay. Oh, sing. So we have more candies. Let's find out what's in the pink ones. There. We've opened this. Let's see what's inside. Candies, more candies. So if you're very fond of candies, go and buy this packet right away because you're getting a lot of candies. Okay, so let's open this one and more candies. So basically, in all the colors of the surprise eggs, we have candies. Candies of Hello Kitty shaped figures, pink and purple. Okay, so do you remember how many colors we have of the eggs? Yes. Which one? This is the light pink. Good. What about this one? Purple. Well done. And this one? Green. Good job. And What about this one? Pink. Very good. So now you know the colors. Let me know what you get in your surprise eggs. Come back next time to see more of your surprise eggs. That's it for today on the toy park. Bye!